I went to some antique malls last week looking for silverware to make some jewelry, and I wanted to show you what I found, starting with coolest first. So look what I found, another Mary Poppins spoon. I have not had one of these in a while. I think this is only my fourth one I've ever had. So this lady is going to be turned into a wrap style spoon ring. She's one of my favorite pieces to work with, and I get so excited every time I find one of these ladies. So that was so exciting when I found that. I also found some vintage Winnie the Poohs. Everyone always says, like, when I find a pair, like, I should make earrings. The problem is that these are really thick and stainless, so I think they would be a little too heavy for earrings. So I'll probably do like one ring, one necklace, or maybe two rings. I haven't decided, but I did find some more Winnie the Pooh, which is always super fun. And I found a silver-plated Rolex. Normally I only find stainless, so it's always exciting when I find a silver-plated one that's going to be really pretty when I polish it all up. And now just to the pretty things. I found a parfait spoon, iced tea spoon, whatever you want to call it. This is going to be a bracelet. And okay, so do you remember that statement necklace I made? I don't know, like a month ago-ish? I can't remember, but it's the same flower. That's what drew me to these forks. I have not decided if these are going to be earrings or rings. I haven't decided yet, but the flower is what drew me in. I also think these are very pretty. I don't know if they're going to be earrings. I think they would be really pretty earrings though. They are very thick, and so I think they might be a little too heavy. I haven't decided yet on that. I thought this was a pretty spoon, so I had to get that. This is going to be a wrap spoon ring. See how these flowers go all the way down the stem? So that's going to be like this, like a spiral spoon ring showing off the whole spoon stem. These grapes always get me. They're just so like classic. And this ladle is going to be a necklace. I have lots of spoons with this pattern on it. It just like seems classic to me. I got these 3 spoons. I like the shape of the end. I'm gonna do probably a pair of earrings and then a matching ring. I haven't decided with these forks either yet, but this flower drew me in. The problem with doing these as spoon rings would be that the part that's showing would be very blank. So I could do earrings, but then they would be incredibly long. Haven't decided what I'm doing with these yet, but they're pretty. This guy is going to be a bracelet. And then I got this mystery bag. I can't say no. When I just see like silverware in a bag like this, I have to buy it. But what for sure like drew me in, that made me have to buy it, was that I saw lots of C's. Let me see if I can find one. And you know that I love anything with a monogram, heavily tarnished, but there's lots of these C's in here. So if your name starts with a C, let me know. There's also lots of pieces with holes, and you know I love silverware with a hole. So that is everything I got. I'll be making videos of all the things that I made, so stay tuned.